Guys, I'm Bianca. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some of the stuff I found at Dollar Tree for Easter and spring. This is like the first batch of stuff I think my Dollar Tree put out last week. That's when I actually went. I just haven't had time to edit this and post it yet. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff I found, and then today I'll also be working on some DIYs, and then y'all should see that sometime within the next day or two. So let's go ahead and get started and I'll show you what I found. Okay, so this is the first sign that I'm showing y'all. I found quite a few MDF signs. This one's really cute. It just says, "Bunny, please stop here," and it's attached to a stake. This next one is a nice shiplap, rustic looking one that says "Happy Easter." It has a galvanized bunny and some cute eggs at the bottom. This one is a cute little bunny face with a burlap bow. It also says "Happy Easter" on the carrots. This one has arrows pointing in different directions saying Easter Bunny, Egg Hunt, and Jelly Bean Trail. I found this pink tag that says "This chick is ready for Easter." Really funny, and a cute little yellow chick right in the center inside of a purple egg. This next one is a good one for a DIY. If you don't like all of these different colors on here, you can definitely take this apart and use it on a sign, or you can leave it just the way it is and just paint them to the colors that you like. This next one reminds me of a farmhouse bunny with a pretty dress on, holding a banner that says spring. Then I found this bunny basket made out of fabric. It has a cute little pink nose with the ears off to the side, and it's in that gingham blueprint. This is a tiny little basket with 3 eggs inside, and I am already thinking of a DIY for this one. Here is another sign that I had to pick up. This one is actually made for outdoors. It's made out of that hard plastic, but I decided to pick it up because I really like the little truck that the eggs are in. And here's the stake that you could stick in the ground if you do decide to use it outside. I picked up a couple of color your own ornaments. This first one is a 5-piece set of wooden eggs, and this one is a 5-piece set of carrots. Depending on how you want to use them, it does come with the twine. And then I picked up a big wooden egg, and I'm trying to think of a cute DIY for this one. I found 2 sets of these galvanized signs. This first one has spring, bunny, and welcome. And this one has happy Easter and blessing. This one I thought was super funny. It comes with 2 bunny faces, and it's made out of styrofoam and burlap. I found more outdoor decor for Easter, and this first one is a little chick. And this one is a bunny. So Dollar Tree has these painting sets that you can put inside of some Easter baskets. I found one with a chick, and then the other one is that little truck with eggs inside. It's the same one as the yardstick I found that you could put outside. I have a few more things to show y'all. I did pick up this decorative shred in green for a DIY I'm doing today. I picked up 2 sets of poster stickers in these pastel colors. Perfect for some DIYs I'm gonna do. I also found these wreath charms in hope and spring, and I have never seen these before at Dollar Tree, but I thought they were cute as is or for a DIY, and they do come with a piece of string to hang it on a wreath, I guess, or you can, use it for something else. Dollar Tree always has these wired baskets in different sizes, and I just picked up this size for a specific DIY. I recently did a DIY with these garlands from Dollar Tree. I made a wreath out of them, and what I did was pick up the last 4 in this specific pattern because I know they have different ones because I wanted to do a garland on my mantle. So I will show y'all what I come up with in my next video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope y'all have a great Monday, and I'll see y'all in the next one.